Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for this video I'm checking out Cignature. This one was requested I think 2 weeks ago because they have the comeback that had come out the 29th of August, I believe, and it's currently the 12th of September. So obviously it's taken me a bit longer to get to than I anticipated, but I am now going to do that. So I'm going to check out 3 videos from them. I have Aurora, Boyfriend, and then Smooth Sailing, which is their comeback. So getting a little bit of an array of what their sound is. All right, let's start off with Aurora. Okay, I've seen that logo before.
내 맘이 녹아 이 밤이 지나면 다시 널 볼 수 없을지 몰라 그런 없어 나를 던져 나만 가득 번진 green sapphire 나와 함께라서 좋아 처음 느껴보는 느낌 시간 넘어 펼쳐진 너와 나의 판타지 운명처럼 날 채워줘 숨겨진 작은 비밀 날 그때 머물러 알고 싶어 너의 모든 걸 간절한 내 맘 모두 모아서 말해줄게 그 맘에 닿은 그
Okay. I don't know. I'm not really. I didn't really feel it. Okay. I'm gonna be completely honest. I won't ever fake a reaction for this channel. I wasn't really feeling that one. But again, I'm gonna reserve judgment on whether or not I actually like this group or not. That's why I get a couple videos when I'm trying to check out a new group like this. So Let's move on and see what boyfriend is like. Where have I seen this logo? Was it CLC? I don't remember.
맘이 꼬이고 켜 가끔 눈물도 흘려 엉망이 된 기분의 원인은 나나 But it's you It's you 더 미치는 건 그런 너를 알면서 결국에는 네 번호를 누르는 나 Yeah I'm full I'm full Oh it's so tragic 한없이 해로운 네가 왜 좋을까 넌 너무 나쁜 boyfriend boyfriend 날 갖고 노는 boyfriend boyfriend 넌 장난치듯 쉽게 쉽게 화내고 울부짖는 날 달래 So I call you my boyfriend boyfriend Yeah I call
I like
you
this
my
better.
boyfriend, boyfriend.
Not sure about the choreography.
Boyfriend, boyfriend. 습관적인 네 잠수 전화를 걸면 통화 중 이런 너를 대체 난 어떡할까 고민해.
Also, the fact that their pants blend in with the floor is like you lose a lot of their shape. So artistically, I don't know that I would have gone with that kind of decision. Because you lose a lot of them. Like this shot here with the black outfits, they stand out and you can see them. That's a bit more visually appealing. Here they just get lost. I definitely like this song a lot better than the last one though.
내 하나뿐인 boyfriend, boyfriend 내 이기적인 boyfriend, boyfriend 널 놓는 건 난 못해, 못해 화나고 슬퍼도 So I call you my boyfriend, boyfriend Yeah I love you my boyfriend, boyfriend 세상 모두가 욕해, 욕해 그래도 바보같이 널 원해 So I call you my boyfriend. Let's go.
Okay, see, I like that one a lot better than the last one. Just definitely more my style. This is why you gotta check out more than just one video from a group because they could have different sounds and you'll never know. Okay, moving on to, this is their most recent comeback, Smooth Sailing. So let's see what this one sounds like.
죽겠어 날 보는 네 눈빛 맘이 너무 간지러 미쳤어 이건 운명이라고 은은한 향기처럼 남아 무슨 일이야 뭔 짓을 한 거야 밤새 네 얼굴이 빙빙빙 야야했었어 너무 좋아 혹시 들킬까봐 피해 Oh you're singing la 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 맘이 말랑해 Give me singing oh give me more baby it's a simple game 난 내 앞에 떠난 네 앞에 그것도 말고도 난 필요해 So give your heart 내게로 Yeah smooth smooth sailing 스며들기 나는 뭔가 달라 good feeling 갈듯 말듯 give me more It's smooth smooth sailing 스며들기 네 생각에 온 세상을 다 가진 기분 Smooth sailing 내길 들어봐 불꽃 같은 내 맘에 hit더 커졌어 숨겨둔 truth is 온종일 너 때문에 나 진짜 심각해 Oh 내게 지지해 너를 스치가 모든 건 right for 내 거야 꼭 내 거야 When I think of you 네가 좋다고 말해버리고 네가 너 기준 뒤돌아버렸어 라라라라라라라라라라라라라라 네가 보여 저기 괜히 흘기 먼저 아는 척하기엔 부끄러워 조금 더 가까이 나올 때까지 Yeah 시계 원한 미소에 뛰는 heartbeat 혹시 들킬까봐 피해 Boy I'm singing la 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 맘이 말랑해 Keep me singing oh give me more baby it's a simple game 난 내 앞에 또난 네 앞에 그것도 말고 더 난 필요해 So give your heart 내게로 It's smooth smooth sailing 스며들기 너는 뭔가 달라 good feeling 따뜻하듯 give me more It's smooth smooth sailing 스며들기 네 생각에 온 세상이 다 가진 기분 Smooth sailing 나의 맘은 나는 빡지고 밤새도록 너와 수많은 얘기를 나눌 거야 내게 새겨진 나의 비밀 사소한 그 모든 걸 In the cloud, in the sky, in my heart Boy I'm feeling so good Keep me singing oh give me more baby it's a simple game 철새보다 훨씬 투명해 네 맘은 오직 너를 향해 다 보여줘 네가 말 Yeah smooth smooth sailing 스며들기 give me more good feeling give me more It's smooth smooth sailing 스며들기 무게로 온 세상을 다 가진 기분 Smooth sailing
Okay. I liked that one better than the first one, but I liked Boyfriend the best, and this is, it's not a song that, I don't know, I just don't really gravitate towards like the more bubblegum poppy kind of sound as far as K-pop goes. I don't mean as far as, you know, American pop back in the day. I tended to like the more edgy stuff rather than like the bubblegum pop kind of thing. I mean, it was all right. Like, I feel like the choreography, like was just like it was distracting from everything. I don't know. I didn't vibe with it. I'm sorry, I did not vibe with that one. If they have more like that second song, Boyfriend, let me know and I'll check it out. But I don't know. Might have to pass on this one. Can't like everything, I guess. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.